Alyssa here from Alt Illustration, and today I'm going to be working on Captain Marvel. So stay tuned if you would like to watch from line work to finished illustration.
I've thrown out all the photographs. They just don't feel the same. And I screen your calls, 'cause we don't talk anymore. I'm cleaning out my house, and finally I can breathe. I'm trying to move on, like you did so easily. You're the reason why. Very hard on myself, but it's not like you tried to help. You knew how to make me feel small, as if I was nothing at all. Cleaning out my house, and finally I can breathe. I'm trying to move on, like you did so easily. And you're the reason why. You're the reason why. You're the reason why. And the reason why we're better off not friends is 'cause without you I can love myself again. And the reason why I'm thanking you is 'cause now I can live the life I should. And you're the reason why.
Hi guys! Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and watching me draw Captain Marvel. She's pretty awesome. I didn't know a whole lot about her before I got the suggestion to draw her, but I did a little bit of research, and she's gonna make an appearance in some Avengers movies coming up, and she's gonna have her own solo movie coming up in 2019, so that's gonna be really exciting. So definitely be looking for those movies to come out. I'm so excited. If you're new here, I make these drawing videos every single week, so go ahead and hit the red subscribe button if you want to see more. And also, I love taking comments and suggestions from you guys for future drawing video ideas, so go ahead and comment those down below, and I will see you next week with another art video. Bye!
Thrown